Hi, this is Ramesh bearing roll number B18ME115 and my batchmates are Netaji roll number 69, Ishwar roll number 111 and our major project topic is about design and fabrication of attachable wheelchair automator. Coming to abstract, the main aim of the project is to design and fabricate an attachable wheelchair automator. To achieve the same, we have mainly focused on handicapped people. Adding an extension to this project, we have achieved uh, we have introduced backward movement by the person himself without any independent person for the mobility of the person. As of now, we have seen many manual wheelchair with which can achieve backward movement with the help of sensors. By using general parts and making the project economical, we have used an in-hub motor which have a facility for both forward and backward movement. And coming to the parts, these are the parts we have used in our project. There will be an aluminium sheet which will be placed under the wheelchair. For setting up all the batteries and controller, we'll be using two batteries, each of 24 volts. And we have designed this is a 3D model we have designed using Fusion 360. This is just a prototype for our fabricated model. Yeah, here we can see the two batteries. Two batteries are placed below the wheelchair on by using aluminium sheet. This is about design part, and the remaining part will be explained by Ishwar.
So, good afternoon. My name is Ishwar, and I'm going to explain about the working of our project. And this is a design which is explained by our team leader Ramya. And we have given a backward movement which was explained by Ramya. And this is the video pitch of it, which moves the back in backward direction, which mechanism has been reversed and done in a way which so that it can be applicable with a easy way by a driver who drives it. This is a backward movement. Uh, Here we can see the backward movement through the acceleration. We can see the switches on the right side of a handle, which helps in changing the movement of to backward and forward. And now I'm showing the video pitch of a forward direction. This is the video pitch for the forward direction. Here when the acceleration is given, the movement will be in the forward direction through the movement, changing of the switches in the right side of handle. So this is the project we have done and shown to the board, and this is what we have done, which moves, which the vehicle, the handicapped vehicle moves in forward and backward directions, and the conclusion will be explained by the Netaji. Thank you. Hello, Netaji.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Netai. I'm going to explain the conclusion. From this, we can conclude that operating a wheelchair in backward direction does not require any kind of sensors or external force. It can be operated manually by the person itself, and it is the best suitable for handicapped people where no extra effect is to be offered. In this way, the backward movement of the vehicle is also easy to use as the forward movement. Thank you.